Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Everyone, channel. So today I am going to make a video about how to make codes uh, for the line follower robot. So today we are going to make a robot that can line. Yes, right. So first of all, you go to make code microbit RG, then new project, the project name of line follower robot or anything, can be anything, but for me the line follower robot. Right, so let's create it. So here we already have some codes like the basic codes and music codes, LED codes, radio codes, loop codes, logic codes, variables. Want to make one, and we also have some math, but the code that we need isn't here, so we are going to add an extension here. So press the extension bit, and then you enter an URL. Wait a second, guys. Alright, so now we are going to add the, the URL here. Okay, here it is. Uh, Copy it. So if you guys want to have the extension, you guys can just um, click the link below or just copy the link below at the description. Okay, now you enter, then you have this one single extension for Tinybit. So it's the Tinybit E2 Tinybit .0.2. Alright, so press that, adding the extension. Alright, so now you have the Tinybit and your pixel part. Okay, so if you guys already add the extension, now we are going to add an icon which we put on the onStart uh, block, and then I'm gonna use smiley face for the icon, then forever logic if then else. Now put it at the forever block, and and add some more true then uh, blocks. Alright, so press the plus icon here, plus until for about 3 times get this. For the last else delete. Okay, then we're going to add another logic, which is the AND logic. Alright, now we are going to one of the uh, block codes from the extensions. Uh, Here it is, the car line sensor direct. Put this at right there. Put another one. This. Okay. Now change that into left state. Now the value is right. All right. So you don't change the first one for the left one, and for the right one, uh, you just uh, so it's the right one. You just need to change the left state into right state. Okay, and then you guys can copy this. Okay, put okay, and put this here. Now, as the left state, so going to the left state. So left part is for left, of course, and the right part is for the right. But the value is the ones that change. So the second one, so the value will be black for the left state, And for the right state, we don't change anything. So we still align search for the right state value. Then we duplicate that again. Then for this one, it's left state. So value, what is this? White. Right. The value will be white. For the right state, it will be black. So this and last part there. So for white, white, right. So this one, we are going to change it to black. Then wait. So okay. So for the bottom part is uh left state is black, same as the right state. You use black. Uh, but for the top, so for the left state is the value are white, black, white, black, and for the right state it's white, white, black, black. Then we go to another tiny bit codes. We're going to use car control speed. Uh, car control speed run here at the very top block. Speed, I will set this to 60. Just copy that to the other blocks here. Okay. Now just change the run in spin left, spin right to into spin left and spin right. So first one is going to be spin left. The other two will both spin right. And for the speed of these three will be 70. So spin left will be 70, same as the spin right and the bottom spin right. Okay. So yeah, this is basically the code for now. This might be the first part. So the second part will be me demonstrating the code working on the Tinybit, I believe. So maybe that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys like this video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.